Let's talk about the recently launched Vivo smartphone Y200. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED curved display, 6.78 inches Full HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, 20:9 aspect ratio, 93.3% screen to body ratio, approximately 388 ppi pixel density, 1300 nits peak brightness, and with 120 Hz refresh rate. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel Sony LYT600 wide-angle camera, along with 2 megapixel depth camera. For selfies it has 8 megapixel front camera, video recording maximum 4K at 30 fps on rear camera, and 1080p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Origin OS 4 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.2 GHz quad-core Cortex-A78 plus 1.8 GHz quad-core Cortex-A55. Powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 chipset, paired with Adreno 710 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8GB, 12GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 8GB, 12GB of extended RAM, and 128GB, 256GB, 512GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, no micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.36 by 74.75 by 7.61, or 7.75, or 8 mm. And it weighs around 187, or 188, or 190 grams, and the color options black, silver, orange colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 6000 mAh battery, with 80-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features, under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS L1, USB Type-C headphone jack, USB Type-C charging port, and with IP64 dust and water resistant. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Vivo Y200 has been priced for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 1,599 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 1,799 Chinese yuan, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage variant at 1,999 Chinese yuan, while the 12GB plus 512GB storage variant at 2,299 Chinese yuan. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Vivo Y200 smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.